HepatoBurn Review 2025. Liver first fat loss or just clever marketing? If your social feed has been whispering, "Psst, your liver is the real reason your genes grown," you've probably met HepatoBurn, a diet supplement that promises to optimize liver function, so your metabolism wakes up, salutes, and burns belly fat like it owes you money. This review is funny and serious, like a stand-up set that brings references. We'll decode the claims, ingredients, costs, risks, and who, if anyone, should even consider clicking add to cart. Grab some green tea, preferably not the kind that soothes your liver, and let's go. TLDR, but make it sassy. 1. What it is. 1. A liver-centric weight support supplement sold via the official site, with 2 proprietary blends. A liver fat-burning complex, resveratrol, green tea, genistein, chlorogenic acid, choline, and a liver purification complex, silymarin, milk thistle, betaine, berberine, molybdenum, glutathione. 1. HepatoBurn. 2. What it claims. Support detox, optimize liver function, and flip your body into full fat-burning mode. That's their language, not mine. 2. HepatoBurn. 3. Price and refund. Typically $49 to $79 per bottle depending on bundle, 60-day money-back guarantee, ClickBank checkout. 3. HepatoBurn. 4. Evidence reality check. Some ingredients have modest evidence for metabolic, liver support, e.g., green tea catechins, berberine, betaine. Others are essential nutrients with general benefits, choline. And some are controversial, oral glutathione. 4. The formula as a whole lacks independent clinical trials. 4. Office of Dietary Supplements plus 1 NCCIH PMC PubMed. 5. Buyer beware. Amazon shows lots of HepatoBurn lookalikes from unrelated brands, Livorka, Indelo, Zonata. These are not the same product, formula as the official site. If you're evaluating this HepatoBurn, use the official website. 5. Amazon. 6. Bottom line. If you love a liver support angle and understand, support does not equal 63 pounds by Thursday, HepatoBurn might be an optional add-on to a sensible plan. 6. If you want drug-level, clinically proven weight loss effects, this isn't that movie. What exactly is HepatoBurn? HepatoBurn positions the liver as your body's fat-burning furnace, claiming modern toxins bog it down, slowing metabolism and making your snack drawer a crime scene. The brand's page spotlights 2 proprietary blends. 1. Liver fat-burning complex, resveratrol, Camellia sinensis, green tea. Genistein, a soy isoflavone. Chlorogenic acid, often from green coffee. Choline. 2. Liver purification complex, silymarin, milk thistle. Betaine, berberine, molybdenum, glutathione. That's a greatest hits playlist of liver and metabolic buzzwords. The site also touts non-GMO, soy, dairy-free, and manufactured in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility, a manufacturing claim, not FDA approval of the product. Pricing and a 60-day guarantee are front and center. HepatoBurn key con. The page doesn't show a full supplement facts panel with exact dosages of each ingredient. Without doses, we can't judge whether the amounts are within ranges used in studies. Proprietary blends are common in the industry, but they also make it hard to evaluate efficacy. HepatoBurn. The claims versus the science. Promise, we'll keep this fun. Green tea, Camellia sinensis. 1. Why it's here. Catechins plus a bit of caffeine may nudge up fat oxidation and energy expenditure. 2. Evidence. NIH, NCCIH say effects on weight are modest and vary by product and person. Extracts can reduce LDL slightly. 2. Rarely, green tea extracts have been linked to liver injury, especially at high doses. Yes, the irony of a liver pill with an ingredient occasionally tough on livers is not lost on me. 2. NCCIH berberine. 1. Why it's here. A botanical that may improve glucose metabolism, insulin sensitivity. Trendy as nature's Ozempic. Spoiler. It isn't. 2. Evidence. NCCIH. Weight loss evidence is inconclusive. Some small studies show modest reductions. 2. Mainstream clinicians caution. Don't equate it with GLP-1 drugs, and be mindful of drug interactions, liver metabolized meds. 2. NCCIHTIMEAAFP betaine, trimethylglycine. 1. Why it's here, methyl donor, investigated for fatty liver support and metabolic effects. 2. Evidence. Animal data support hepatoprotection. Human trials are mixed, with calls for better studies. Translation. Promising mechanism, not a miracle. 2. PMC plus 1 silymarin, milk thistle. 1. Why it's here, the classic liver herb. 2. Evidence. NCCIH. Results for liver disease are conflicting or too limited for firm conclusions, generally well tolerated, but quality varies by brand. 2. NCCIH resveratrol. 1. Why it's here, antioxidant from grapes, red wine, metabolism and mitochondrial height. 2. Evidence. Plenty of lab, animal intrigue, mixed human data, generally safe with rare enzyme elevations. It's not a fat loss button. 2. NCBI chlorogenic acid, often via green coffee bean. 1. Why it's here, potential impact on glucose, fat metabolism. 2. Evidence. Falls into the might help a little, don't expect fireworks category in weight loss fact sheets. See NIH overview on weight loss supplements. 2. Office of Dietary Supplements choline. 1. Why it's here, essential nutrient, important for liver fat metabolism and cell membranes. 2. Evidence. Solid for being essential, not a weight loss agent. Many people meet needs via diet, supplementation is situational. 2. Office of Dietary Supplements plus 1 glutathione. 1. Why it's here. 1. The body's master antioxidant. 2. Evidence. Oral bioavailability is poor, newer liposomal, modified forms aim to improve it, results vary. Studies show mixed outcomes, don't expect oral glutathione to single-handedly detox your life. 2. PMC plus 2 PMC plus 2 molybdenum. 1. Why it's here. 1. A trace mineral cofactor in detox enzymes. 2. Evidence. Deficiency is rare. Exceeding upper limits isn't wise, possible copper-related issues. 2. In a multi-ingredient blend, we'd want to see the exact dose. 2. Office of Dietary Supplements plus 1 verdict on ingredients. This is a recognizably liver plus metabolism stack. A few components have modest human evidence for related benefits. The rest are supportive but not magic. Without dosages and independent clinical trials on the full formula, the bold fat loss promises are aspirational marketing, not established fact. HepatoBurn marketing claims. What to believe, and what to chuckle at. HepatoBurn's page leans hard on the narrative that compromised liver function is the hidden root cause of weight gain, and that, optimizing, it flips fat burning to full mode. It's an appealing story, and supporting liver health is reasonable. But the idea that your liver alone is the puppet master of your body weight is tidy. Real weight regulation is a group project: brain, hormones, sleep, diet, movement, genetics, and yes, liver. The brand also cites January 2023 discovery, vibes and attention-grabbing efficiency numbers. These are marketing beats, not consensus guidelines. HepatoBurn price, bundles and refunds, aka the wallet talk, on the official site, you'll typically see 1. 6 bottles, $49 per bottle, free shipping. 2. 3 bottles, $69 per bottle. 3. 2 bottles, $79 per bottle. 4. 60-day money-back guarantee. Return even empty bottles. Refund excludes S&H. Checkout runs through ClickBank. 4. HepatoBurn important. Amazon lists a zoo of products called HepatoBurn, sold by unrelated brands, Livorka, Indelo, Zonata, etc., with different labeling and unknown formulas. That's brand confusion city. If you want this HepatoBurn, the one with the 2 proprietary complexes, buy from the official site to avoid clones. Amazon safety and side effects, the not-so-fine print. 1. Green tea extracts, especially high dose, have rare cases of liver injury. Most people tolerate them, but keep it in mind, especially if you already have liver concerns. 1. NCCIH. 2. Berberine can interact with medications. It uses some of the same liver enzymes. It's not nature's Ozempic, and evidence for weight loss remains limited. 2. NCCIHTIMEAAFP. 3. Molybdenum has an upper tolerable intake. Chronic excess could be a problem. 3. Proprietary blends equals we can't confirm dose safety. 3. Office of Dietary Supplements +1. 4. Glutathione orally is debated. Plain forms are poorly absorbed. Liposomal, modified forms may help, but data are mixed. 4. PMC plus 2 PMC plus 2. Talk to your clinician if you're on meds, especially for blood sugar, cholesterol, blood pressure, or anticoagulants, have a liver condition, are pregnant, breastfeeding, or plan to stack this with other supplements. Common sense isn't optional, it's the active ingredient. What realistic results look like, and how to spot hype, even if we grant the best case scenario, that HepatoBurn improves sleep, appetite control, and metabolic feel, you're looking at supportive effects. Not 23 pounds this weekend. Nick's weight loss supplement overview is clear. Most ingredients offer small effects at best, and lifestyle still runs the show. Office of Dietary Supplements red flags to ignore wherever you see them, not just here. 1. Average user lost 53 pounds in weeks. 2. Melts fat while you sleep, no diet, no exercise. 3. Clinically proven to torch belly fat, without an actual clinical trial on the finished product. Who might consider HepatoBurn? 1. You're fascinated by the liver first angle and want a bundled stack instead of buying 9 separate bottles. 2. You understand, may support, does not equal, will transform, and plan to pair it with, sleep, protein, steps, and vegetables. 3. You're okay with the price, and you value the 60-day refund window as a test drive. 3. HepatoBurn, who should skip it, or talk to a clinician first. 1. You're on multiple meds or have liver disease. Interactions, ingredient sensitivities matter. 1. NCCIHAFP. 2. You want drug-level weight loss. 2. That lives with GLP-1s and comprehensive medical care, not an over-the-counter supplement. How to take it, and what the brand itself says. The brand's FAQ says, take HepatoBurn daily with a big glass of water. They suggest 3 to 6 months of consistent use for best results, especially if you're over 35 or have more to lose. Again, no supplement facts panel is visible on the site, so follow the label directions on your bottle if you buy, and keep your doctor in the loop. HepatoBurn. My HepatoBurn reality sandwich, pros and cons, sensible liver, metabolic theme. Several ingredients have some evidence for related outcomes, e.g., green tea catechins for modest weight effects, betaine, berberine for metabolic, liver angles. 1. NCCIH plus 1 PMC. 2. 60-day refund policy provides a low-risk trial. 2. HepatoBurn. 3. Made in FDA-registered, GMP facility, a manufacturing standard. 3. HepatoBurn cons. 1. No disclosed dosages. Proprietary blends make it impossible to evaluate potency or safety margins. 1. HepatoBurn. 2. Formula-level clinical evidence, none shown. Ingredient studies does not equal proof the blend works the way it's pitched. 3. Green tea extract risk, rare, plus potential berberine interactions merit caution for some users. 3. NCCIHAFP. 4. Marketplace confusion, Amazon, HepatoBurns by random brands, easy to buy the wrong thing. 4. Amazon smarter ways to use a liver-first philosophy, with or without a pill. Even if you pass on HepatoBurn, you can still romance your liver and metabolism, like a pro. 1. Protein-forward meals, earlier dinners. 1. Aim for 25 to 40 grams protein per meal. Finish eating 2 to 3 hours before bed to nudge insulin and overnight fat oxidation. 2. 10 to 12K casual steps per day. Neat, non-exercise activity is the sneakiest fat loss lever. 3. Morning light plus consistent sleep. 3. Circadian alignment improves appetite hormones and energy regulation. 4. Limit alcohol. 4. The liver doesn't multitask well. Processing booze comes before burning fat. 5. Basic labs with your clinician if weight won't budge. Metabolic panel, A1C, lipids, thyroid, iron, B12, vitamin D, as appropriate. Supplements can be sidekicks. The hero is your daily rhythm. FAQs: is HepatoBurn FDA approved? No dietary supplement is approved by FDA for weight loss. Manufacturers can sell if they meet labeling, manufacturing rules. The FDA can intervene if there's a safety issue. The cite's FDA-registered facility refers to the plant, not the product. HepatoBurn: will I lose weight without changing anything? Unlikely. Even the best-studied supplement ingredients tend to provide modest changes that work best alongside diet, sleep, and movement. Office of Dietary Supplements: is there a money-back guarantee? Yes, 60 days from purchase, return even empty bottles, S&H not refunded. HepatoBurn: why are there so many HepatoBurns on Amazon? Because SEO and vibes. Many are unrelated products using the name. If you want the official formula described here, stick to the brand's site. Amazon: the bottom line, HepatoBurn is a tidy, liver-centric supplement with a familiar cast of ingredients. Some components have mild to moderate evidence for aspects of liver or metabolic health, but the finished formula hasn't presented independent clinical trials, and dosages aren't disclosed publicly, making efficacy and safety hard to judge precisely. The 60-day guarantee is generous. The claims are, at times, dramatic, and the product fits best as a supporting actor, not the star. If you do try it, treat it like a structured experiment. Loop in your clinician, especially if on meds. Use one new supplement at a time, keep your sleep, steps, protein on point, and evaluate how you feel by week 4 to 6, well within the refund window. And whether or not you buy, remember this unsexy truth: your daily habits are still the strongest fat loss detox on earth. Sources and notes. 1. Official site, ingredients, pricing, guarantee. HepatoBurn product page, pricing bundles. 2. Proprietary complexes, 60-day refund, ClickBank checkout. 1. HepatoBurn. 2. Amazon listings show multiple unrelated HepatoBurn products, brand confusion risk. 2. Amazon. 3. Ingredient evidence, safety. Green tea usefulness, safety, modest weight effects, rare liver injury reports. NCCIH, weight loss supplements overview, NIH odds. Office of Dietary Supplements, berberine, evidence not conclusive, not Nature's Ozempic, potential interactions. NCCIHAFPTIME. Betaine, mixed human data, hepatoprotection mechanisms, PMC. Milk thistle, silymarin, conflicting, limited for liver disease, general safety notes. NCCIH, choline, essential nutrient roles. Office of Dietary Supplements +1, glutathione. Oral bioavailability is low. Some liposomal, modified forms may improve levels, data mixed. PMC +2 PMC +2, molybdenum, health professional and consumer fact sheets, all considerations.